going to be solving two-step equations, and they're going to be two steps because there's going to be two things to do. Yesterday you were only having the number with the variable, equal sign, and the number. Now you're going to see there's an extra number here. But we're going to go in order, and we're going to do this slowly so you can kind of see how it's being done. First, we notice that the variable has a 2 next to it, but we also notice there's a +3. Yep, that kind of thickens the plot because we need to get rid of this 3 before we worry about this 2. Notice how the 2 is stuck to it? That's multiplication. Notice how there's a +3? That's addition. And addition, we're going to solve it before we do the multiplication. So we're still going to do what the steps are in the same order. Step 1 says that we're going to be solving and getting rid of this 3. So we're going to go, what undoes a +3? It's a -3. And we cross it out. If you have 3 and I take away 3, you have nothing. What you do to one side of the equal sign, you do to the other. 9 minus 3 is 6. Bring down the equal sign. Boop, right there, and bring down the 2x. Now this looks exactly like what we've been doing in the past. Something times 2 gives me 6. We know the answer is 3, obviously, right? But we're going to isolate because we want to know, do you know how to isolate? We have to get x by itself. In other words, it should just say x equals something. So let's go ahead and look at what's happening to the x. It has a 2 stuck to it. What does that mean? That means it's being multiplied. What undoes multiplication, you guys? Say it out loud. That's right, division. I'm going to divide away the 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 times x is just x. What I do to one side, I do to the other. I divided by 2. I'm going to divide it by 2 here. What is 6 divided by 2? It's 3. And you already knew that because 2 times 3 is 6.